Go for it. Oh, the power.
Yeah, get gapped, son.
Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. Tijmen, tell us what we're driving.
The 2021 Rogue Platinum. Right?
Platinum, whatever the top one's called.
Yeah.
I think Platinum all-wheel drive. Now, we have reviewed the Rogue on this channel before, but we have not reviewed the top trim. So we're back at a cool Nissan event. We're driving every Nissan. We're doing quick drives. This will be about a 10-minute video. Tijmen's gonna drive, I'm gonna drive, and we're just gonna share a very quick impression and some details about the new Nissan Rogue. Into drive. You got the new shifter down here. It's an electronic shifter, so that means there's space underneath actually, which is really nice. So you can put a purse under this compartment. Do you like auto hold on or off?
Off.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm an auto hold kind of guy.
Yeah, you're a lazy guy.
So we're here in Dallas, Texas. Beautiful day actually, about 65 degrees, not too hot, really muggy though. So AC's doing its job. We're in the Rogue Platinum, right? That's what it's called, I think?
Yeah.
It's got the digital display here in front of the driver, which is new. It's something we had not seen because we drove the SL with all-wheel drive,
right,
which is just the tick below this one.
It's a major upgrade.
Major upgrade. I mean, you know, I think if you're gonna, you get a base one or you get a maxed out one.
Right. There's no in between.
No in between. Totally agree. It's got this massive sunroof. I think ours had that one too. Can't remember. I think it did. And right, so you got all the different driving modes here. We're in normal. You're a sporty kind of guy. I'll put you in the race flag mode. So now we're in sport. Give it the beans.
Oh, it picks up again.
Oh wait, here we go. Oh, cop on the brakes. I forgot how actually not slow this was. So this has a new updated for 2021 engine. It is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder making 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, which is 11 horsepower more than the previous gen and 6 pound-feet of torque more. Wow, I remember that from 3 weeks ago. That is pretty neat. This one, the interior, what a difference.
Yeah, the ultimate dad spec with the tan.
And just heated seats, that's surprising. So it has perforations, but no cooled seats. Come on, you're gonna put this nice of interior in here without cooled seats?
Poverty spec.
But really nice. Man, this leather's gorgeous. I love this interior. Pro Pilot Assist, we'll try that out on the highway. And you got the new shifter, paddle shifters, of course. It has the CVT transmission that lets you have manual control. I found that it didn't work that well, and I just put it into sport mode drive, and that's how I spent my time with it. Engine makes a lot of torque down low. And how do you feel about the ride and handling? You're driving it. I kind of forgot what this drove like. So how's it feel?
Yeah, I mean, it feels fine.
It's an SUV meant to be squishy, and it feels pretty soft from my seat.
Yeah, I mean, it's direct, which is nice.
Right, so you put the input in. I think the steering's fairly good, if I remember correctly. I don't remember having any issues with it, I should say.
Yeah, absolute beast in the snow, too.
Oh, that's right. This is the most incredible car in the snow, isn't it? We had the Audi Allroad got stuck. The ID4 was stuck. The Mach-E was stuck. We didn't even pull the Tesla out of the garage, but this thing plowed past everything. Didn't get stuck once. It has a snow mode here. We turned off all the traction control stuff, and yeah, I couldn't see. I had my head out the window like Ace Ventura. We were driving it around Colorado, but truly incredible snow capability. I agree. And I think all of the good stuff that we felt in that previous car is here. So should we do a quick launch? Sport mode. Yeah, we'll boost it up on the CVT a little bit because we got to get in front of this Ford. Go for it. Oh, the power.
Yeah, get gapped, son.
So interesting thing about the Rogue, which I like, is you can get a front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive regardless of the trim. So you can get a Platinum like this in front-wheel drive, which is nice for hot weather. If you're here in Dallas, what do you need all-wheel drive for?
Dallas, Florida,
yeah,
California.
Anything south, yeah. Just get the front-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive, though, for those in northern climates, like where we live in Colorado, what a beast it is. It's in a hydraulic center differential that will basically kick on the rear wheels when it notices slip, but it will also do it from a start, and it worked great. And it also, you know, operates differently depending on the drive modes. You get 3 drive modes with the front wheel drive, 5 with the all-wheel drive, and the new Pathfinder gets like 8. Yeah. 8. Like it's got like rock crawls and pictures of trees, and like I don't even know how you can have 8 different surfaces to drive on, but it does. And yeah, cool. Well, it got good fuel economy in this car, I believe. I can't remember what it got in our testing, but man, it feels good. Flat bottom wheel, much nicer leather on the steering wheel than the kicks, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
So we're doing
smooth.
this. Yeah, why don't you tell us a little bit about this event? So we're seeing like everything.
Yeah. So the entire 2021, 22.
Yeah, 21 and the future 22 product lineup at Nissan.
The Pathfinder, the Frontier, Z Proto,
and Aria.
Yep, and then.
But we can't drive any of those.
Yeah, but so they gave us these to drive.
Right, so they have a whole bunch lined up outside that no one was really doing anything with. And I'm like, well, we can make some videos. It's a good spec on that Macan, isn't it? Oh, look at this bridge. I think we need to do a nice wide open throttle. It sounds good.
Yeah, it's just the shifts are weird.
So the CVT shifting you don't like, I actually do. Oh, we're still flooring. You're going for it. Woo! Welcome to Dallas.
That's probably a good place to turn on.
Yeah, I think so. Nice. Looks like an empty parking lot here. What a cool city. And this is your second time in Dallas. Your first time was when we reviewed the Candy.
Right.
And what do you think about it?
It is massive. Like last night when I went to go pick you up at the airport,
yeah.
I was almost lost.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Yeah, this is a serious town, that's for sure. But the Rogue fits in nicely. I think it looks good here. The styling, you know, you have to watch our full review. We did a whole walk around on this car. This is just a supplemental extra content. Tijmen and I are just fooling around with Nissans today. Yeah, so final thoughts on the Rogue? Are we on a Rogue trip?
Oh, God. I mean,
all right, come on, let's see this cornering capability here. Give it the beans.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it does actually.
Not a lot of body roll either.
Yeah, it's just a lot of Kyle roll. The seats are not the most supportive. The seats are very comfortable though. They're zero gravity inspired by NASA, but NASA didn't design them. They just wanted to put NASA in the press release. Yeah, cool. Well, I think that's all we have to say about the Rogue. Did we run out of things to say? Bose speaker system. Sounds good.
Am I going the right way?
I have no idea. Mazda Miata. I think we go up and turn right up here.
Yeah.
I think you actually got us back to the right spot. At least it feels like the right spot.
I think I did.
Hey, look at that. That worked out great. Well, thanks for watching another Out of Spec Reviews video. Is there anything more you'd like to add to the Rogue? We didn't do any ProPilot stuff, but ProPilot works great. We tested that in our driving video.
Go buy it.
Go buy it. Fantastic car. It's one of the best mid-size CUVs, I think.
It's probably the best value mid-side.
You can say that for almost the entire Nissan lineup. All of the new 2021s that they redesigned drive really well. Right. They look really good, and they're uber-duper premium for the price.
Just depends on what color you
Not as premium as that Autobiography Rover right there, though. That thing's hot. See you on the next one.